Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Netflix application from your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, in order to delete the application, there are two different ways. You can either use the search box and search for the Netflix application, and once you find the application, you can find the uninstall button at the right side. You can simply click on this and proceed with uninstalling the app. Or you can search for add or remove programs. From the search results, you can simply click on the add or remove programs, and this will then show you all of the applications that are installed on your device. From here, you can simply start scrolling down and you will find the Netflix application eventually. From there, simply click on the three dots at the right side and then click on uninstall. This will then uninstall the Netflix application from your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove the Netflix application from your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.